I have a scout and experience from 2016 to November 2023. Am I eligible for one exit direct entry in March 2026? Why what, to 2016, 2023? So for 7 years experience already. Why you wait until 2026? I don't get it. For this direct entry visa, you just need 3 years full-time experience. But I don't know why you need. You have more than 7 years experience already. So I know why you have to wait until 2026. No idea. Ừ, thấy rồi. Ủa? organization actively offering in Australia union need for the nominee to be employed in the position. Evidence of financial capacity. Evidence nature of business. Evidence of nominated position description. Evidence of asset historical attract. Evidence of financial capacity. Oh, this is too much. Let's see. Uh, Pay agent fee 7,700 for the direct entry stream. They are responding so rude and unprofessional which made me so anxious. They couldn't give me any update. I just want to know if all the documents are done and clear, and they said just no updates. Sometimes during the phone call they are so rude and screaming at you as if you are not human. Is all the agents like we pay you big amount of money but get belittled just because we are in need of help? Approve. Please help me some advice. I have blocked one exit direct entry April 2025 and company having bad time sucking people no reason. If they suck me, should I find new company or just wait until grant my visa? No one can answer this question. Is you suffering to get the visa is not the right thing to do. But like if you quit, I will quit. Yep, I will you, but I'm not sure you're gonna do it or not. So just approve. How post holding for approval. Transition scheme apply December 2024. Really? But it's rational. You should get fry already for 16 times. So maybe your case missed. You get any F56 or F57? I don't know. Uh, but oh, thank you for inviting. I have one question. I applied my 4I2 on July. Still nomination not full in motor mechanic. Am I eligible for when I sit in March? July it will be 3 years experience. So I can start a procedure of when I sit now or not because I'm still on Christian visa. Mm, you can't apply for visa application until you get 3 years full-time experience. Otherwise, your visa will be refused. But the nomination, you can do it because some two people in my group they share that they apply for the nomination before they reach 3 year full-time, and both of them got the PR now. So yeah, you can apply for nomination, but not visa application. About you, how Parisian visa A? I apply for one I-6 before my 482 visa granted, and but then I have the main visa at that time, so I still have two bridging visa A's when I apply for one I-6 visa application. But you, because you are holding bridging visa A, if you apply for but if you apply for the one I-6 direct entry before your main visa is approved, you will get inactive bridging visa C. But you're not eligible for one I-6 direct entry stream anyway, so you wait until March. Let's see if your 482 visa will be granted before that. If it's not granted before that, you will get bridging visa. You will get bridging visa A. Yeah. So okay, approve, and I will try. Uh, you can apply for. You can apply for one I-6 direct entry nomination, but not visa application. If you apply for visa application before you reach 3 years full-time experience, your visa application will be reviewed. Uh, if you apply for for one I-6 visa application while holding a bridging visa A, you will receive inactive bridging visa C. But I don't think you will. I don't think you will withdraw your 482 visa application, and no reason to do that. So your prison visa C will keep sleeping. Yeah, that's it. Mm. Hi Catherine, I had for 3 years experience, but first year I have got payslip, superannuation, tax return, everything. But in first year, didn't receive my pay in my bank account. It's fine. Yeah, this is if you have this third party evidence like tax return, payslip, super, you should be fine. But then you have this noted up assessment. If you have that one, it should be good because the core of this evidence is you have to have this noted up assessment reference, and what else? Let me check. But then the cash payment, if it's okay, it's legal as long as you have, you have to have this. You have to declare when you do your tax return, and should be fine. Let me check the core document for you when you apply for the visa. Core document. I think in this visa list I share this because I got this from the request from the from K officer. So let me see. Employer sponsor visa, not core document. Core document. Let me. Yeah, so it should be fine because you need this. I mean, like you can check this in my this the employer fly list, right? I put it there. What is core document, which is not core document. But then you don't need bank statement. This experience should be sufficient because cash payment is legal even in Australia. But you need to declare your income and that's it, and pay tax. What about the pay rate? I used to get around 21, 22 per hour in my first year. Is this under minimum wage? If it's above minimum wage, you should be fine because if you get paid at this time, it's minimum wage is like 25 or something. Let me check. Which year is this? I will check it for you. Which year is 22, 20, 21, 22 per hour? Which year is that? 2022? One moment. 2022 minimum wage Australia. 21 dollars 38 cents. So if you get like $22, it should be fine. But from it's just from 20 4.33 to 21.38, so it should be fine. Minimum wage. But now it's 24.95. Hmm. So you should be fine. You should in this trend. If you have 22, it's okay. For a five is ending today, and I applied exit direct entry. Yeah. It's okay. Good luck. It's okay. Just go for it. But then you have to have skill assessment and this English, right? So you have to get all these requirement. Just if it's extra or under below any band or anything because I saw it. They review the visa in my group. So just check this everything carefully. For a 5E ending today, and I apply one exit direct entry prison visa inactive. Do it get active itself, or do I have to do something? It's active by itself. Okay. Uh, so, job publishing visa. I will active. by itself 1485 as price. And I price as price of tomorrow, mm, just on level. Mm, mm. Just give me an answer if you have set a condition. I have multiple credit card before and want to debt collectors. My police report is clean. Does financial debt affect Visa One AC direct entry? Please share experience if someone has failed. I, according to my experience, this is not government debt, but I'm not sure. You have to go for legal advice. Uh, Unless they put you on court and then the court limit you to the like they convince you or something, and then it's another story. So as far as I know, this is not this is not this is not government debt, but yet they put you on court, put you on court, and you have any you have any conviction by judge is not okay. Okay, you should seek for legal advice. Uh, I received a advocacy on the 6th of November and submitted the required documents on 18th of November, but after that the status show further assessment. Just want to ask how long does it usually take for the application to be finalized, as all the other documents are validated and updated. Nomination is also approved. Just waiting for the golden email. It's to tip. Usually the waiting time is 28 days since the 56 cent, but case by case basis. So some people is way longer than that. Some people will way faster. So normally 28 days. Normally 28 days. Mm. Apply for direct entry on 24 April 2024 at another through a large IT service organization unaccredited in Melbourne Metro. The application is still in receipt status. Any idea when the grant start? Anybody else in the same situation? Non-accredited sponsor, they are doing from March until June. So you can do anything but waiting. Keep waiting. Non-accredited sponsor processing time processing current term is March and June. March until June. June month. Mm, so, mm. Any grant from December 2024 Metro or credit application for one AC direct entry? Yes, last month. No, when I share this box, I mean, let me check. I mean, last month I saw this one. December applicant get this one. I sit direct entry. Yes, yeah, yeah. First one last month. I saw first one last month. Oh, this one the hard one. Oh, something went wrong. This full list of requirements. This required is top one. Oh my goodness! How could you go through this if the business is in loss? Let's see what they request. Organisation actively operating in Australia. Union need for the nominee to be employed in the position. Evidence of financial capacity. Hmm, this one. This the top one. No, I have no clue. Share detail in the box. Let one moment. I will share the box for you. And current visa processing month.
Dễ dàng gửi tiền nhanh về Việt Nam cho những giây phút đặc biệt đó. Giao dịch an tâm, đừng quên tải xuống Remitly.
In this box. Should account 8 days from the day submission or the day of at 56 today at 56 cents. Debt collector put in a court. I don't know. Maybe who know who gonna put you on court? You are in debt, so maybe the one you owe money, anyone can put you on court, and you can put anyone on court. But hopefully go spy. Good day to you too. So this question. Hi Kat, how are you? I just transferred my file to this new company headlock nomination, but another company even giving me opportunity to one IC data entry. How to do it? And can I leave this B company or not until nomination approval? Or I can move to C company and lock nomination again. If you don't want to stay with the company B, you shouldn't waste their money. Just tell them that you're gonna to go with the company C. have a few questions related to one exit visa. Where the question? Hello, hello. You want to ask directly question? No directly question. How do I find employers that sponsor for 482 visa? It is best to look for regional areas. Please suggest the best way to find employers that are willing to sponsor. This is the tricky question, the hardest question. How to find employer? If everybody can find the employer, then why they have to go home? You have to apply the job on the platform Seek or Indeed or those things. How do I know where to find the employers? This is the hardest part. Mm. Hi, hello. Hello, thank you in advance for reading my message. What do you reckon are the chances to get the 494 nomination approved for offshore applicant for what is this? Occupation of office manager. Business is already a full sponsor. 3 to 4 applicants nomination already approved and visa granted. Position union. Your response shall highly be appreciated. Mm. SPS is not nomination, so if the SPS is approved, it means nothing. Nomination is everything. If your nomination is refused, no visa, and you say like they approve 3 4 applicants before, but maybe the time is COVID time, the time is their business is uphill, so they are doing good. That's why nomination approved. But now economy at the bottom, business running loss, and many other reasons they cannot pay you. For example, so it can be approved, it can be grant. You cannot say like because they have 3 4 applicants approved before, so it means your nomination will be approved. It's not working like that. I saw some people in my group sharing that even their first 482 nomination approved, but when they renew this 482 nomination is rejected, and then this one is it also rejected. So it's not saying anything if this the one before you approve and until you it reject is normal. So hi, hello. What else was this other question? Did medicals and it's been clear. However, on the front page of the email account, it showed that I should organize for health. Ignore it. I got I have accounting experience from 2016 to November 2023. Am I eligible for one exit direct entry in March 2026? I don't know why you wait until 2026. This direct entry visa stream they just require 3 year full time experience. So 2026 to 2023 you have 7 years experience already. Mm. can you help me to know something? If you have to tell you what you want to know, how could I answer? Can I ask about 482 visa? I have no question. I got you are well a member of visa when I see Facebook group today. May add me more information including Form 80, police check, evidence of licensing registration, evidence of 3 years work experience and health examination. Regarding 3 years experience, what exactly documents need to send as I have worked in overseas and sent them letter from my managers, mention my salary, full-time job and duties, the superannuation payments. I really appreciate if you could reply me ASAP. That we was smart. If you have bank statement and tax return, it would help. I I'm a restaurant manager. My visa will expire next month. I still cannot pass IELTS or PTE exam. If it's possible, I can apply another visa. For example, I apply retail manager in same restaurant. Even I'm not pass, what can appeal to tribunal, and at that time I keep doing tests. Or how can I do? Thank you. Or should I change my to study shape and after that apply for sponsor visa? Where is you have to apply for first one AC transition stream to buy you some time to finish this English requirement. Then when you finish, you have to apply the second transition visa stream and withdraw the first one. That is the way you do it. But you should this seek for legal advice. That's what I'm gonna do if I were you. But I'm not sure. You are regional applicant or you are metro applicant. So people should have this English before. I don't know why you have to wait until your last minute. It is not good. Waste of money. Lots of money. Hi guys. I want to ask about one exit transition stream. Do we need a valid PTE score at the time we log the visa application, or only when the case officer open the file? Oh my goodness! You have to have the valid English test at the visa logment day. If you have, if you provide this as free English test, no English test, the test is newer than the day you apply for the visa. Your visa application will be straight away, no at 56 or at 57. So don't do it. Some people in my group share that they apply for the visa with no English and then they end up with this refusal. So don't do it. Hi God, how are you? I have a question regarding 1AC. Hi God, hi guys, please message me. No message. Can we talk please? No talking. Uh, Hi Catherine, just need one advice. I'm telling you, I'm not give any advice. Something I just sharing my experience and my opinion, what I think. But I'm not the migration agent. I just run in my group like for so long, 3 years. I approve 200, 300 posts every day. So I read and I learn from it. But it doesn't mean that I provide legal advice or anything like that. So I just sharing my talk. That's it. No more. So just don't say that. Give me advice or anything like that. I cannot give any advice. My wife had 3 years, 4 months overseas experience, and now we are on 407 breathing visa A. Where is chef? Yes, that in our assessment through certification minimum recruitment through RPL. Our employer is ready for one exit delivery entry, but agents say your qualification is not pre-experience. You got your certificate now, so you can go for this. RPL is not studying, it's not formal qualification. It's formal qualification is when you go to study in school. That is formal qualification. Or RPL is your own experience. So how can it have like before qualification or after qualification? It doesn't make any sense. So you need to have this proper RPL qualification, and then skill assessment, and then you can go for the visa. Like this RPL itself, it's not recognized at the formal at the they don't accept it. But if go it come with this the skill assessment is accepted. So some people, like for example chef, you have 3 years full time experience. Like me, I have 3 year full time experience, and then I do this RPL Cert 4, and I do this RPL diploma or advanced diploma, and then after that I have this FOSDIP chef FOSDIP skill assessment, and then I have the competent English, and then I have this 3 years experience. Even I don't study anything related to this chef occupation, I still can apply for this when I see that anti visa scheme. But if you have no qualification at all, no RPL, no formal qualification, so you need like 5 or 6 years full time experience to. But for the qualification is short. I just saw your comment regarding to visa. I do have some question about visa. If you feel my eye, I mean, I'm working at a food and beverage attendant for 3 years in pub, but I'm reading bachelor in early childhood education and haven't been working childcare. So if my employee from the pub where I'm working is ready to sponsor, then is that possible? This bartender or this food and beverage attendant, what you are saying is not on the this skill in demand list. This one have to go this Dharma areas. So this one is on like some skill they require. So they have this the labor agreement with the government, so they can sponsor you with this one. But a standard for A2 visa, I don't think you can do this standard for A2 visa. It's not as this occupation is not in there. It's not listed. My wife, she got skill assessment in retail manager, and she got 4 years experience in 7-Eleven. So, so this experience is more than 10 years old. I'm not sure. You have to go for legal advice. I'm not sure. At 5, I know this is experience within 10 years, but older than that I don't know. I have logged in my phone exit at entry. My employer had bus statements yearly, not quarterly. Is no any issue with nomination and visa application. How it can be bust yearly? No, no, no. Every 3 months have to do bust, not yearly. Who gonna do it yearly? On this ITO, every 3 months we have to do bust, not yearly. I want to know what the fastest one acid rain you have seen. The fastest one, Resinol. Before that is 3 months. Now it's like 6 months. 6 months. The fastest one for Resinol area. Let's see. My God, I hope you are well. I have a typical situation where I'm seeking help for really and straight out on 482 visa and travel from India through my company. So beauty. My 482 is until September 2026. I also have dependent bonus PR prison with active from September 2026 for I to aspire. Now I don't have project and my employer is asking me to go back. I don't know what to do. Can I go back to India and come back to Australia by taking leave? Hmm. I can't answer this question. You have to go for legal advice. I mean, like we are working to earn money for living. Yes, we are not in jail, so basically we can do whatever we want if you can afford it. But you are waiting for the visa and then you absent from work or the workers have no project, and I don't know how your nomination could be approved. Then I love when I see direct anti nomination before 3 years experience. Yes, you can. I saw two people in my group. They share that they uh, submit this nomination before they reach 3 years full time experience, and they all got PR now. So yes, you can. Uh, Regarding organization chart in our restaurant, head chef and chef both are part-time. Another two pizza chef also part-time, and I'm the cook one working as full-time. Because of full-time, my annual pay is more than other. There is effect on nomination for one AC direct ND. Currently, I'm on 482. Your employer have to pay you the amount of this 482 approval letter, but your salary is higher than chef. That's what you wanna say? Or no, you didn't say this. You just say like because you work full time, so you get higher pay. And part time, it doesn't make any sense. Normally, how good is the full time is had higher pay than part time? I don't get it. You just mess this up. Go for legal advice. I received my circular for A2 visa in June this year. One of my colleagues who still works at the same company, he planning to lock his own for A2 visa soon, but he is using a different migration agent consultant than I did. Today I spoke to my agent and he told me that my employer can only sponsor one person under 482 program, and since I already have the visa, the company cannot sponsor anyone else. However, my colleague's agent is telling him to go ahead and lock the visa application anyway. My question is really true that an employer can only sponsor one person on a 482 visa at a time? Of course, it's not true. A lot of business they do like 4, 5, 6, or even 20 a time. It just depends how big, and then they can afford to pay them or not. So it's not true. If my colleague locked his 482 visa application and yet gets refused because of the employer had already sponsored me, will that refusal have any negative impact on my current 482 visa or on my future one exit application that I plan to lock in June 2026? Uh, if his 482 nomination refused, you should worry that your nomination will be refused as well. And if hit 482 nomination approved, you still should worry if business can afford to pay you another 2 years as well. So there's nothing you can do. Just keep do what you can in your power. Everything else out of your control. I got I replied for at 57 night weeks before. How long did they take to reply back to you? I received at 57 duplicate duplicate what the hell this payslip due to software change, but provided evidence from accountant and employer statutory declaration. Have you received grant after your F57? DM me if you don't mind, thank you. Some people I saw this the F57 they got the PR within 3 months, but some people they got like 6, 7 months, and my one is the longest one. I have to wait like 10 months. I'm a chef who did IPL on January 2024. Overall, I have 5 years experience as a chef with positive skill assessment. Am I eligible to apply for one exit direct entry? If you have cert for RPL and you have diploma or advanced diploma RPL, you can apply for this chef one exit direct entry. Hi God, can you please give me your talk on timeline for visa grant after F56 submission? Details are below. How do I know this the timeline? You do what you do, but when they're gonna grant it, it just depend on your luck. Who knows when they're gonna grant it? We have just done medical today. I see direct entry scheme. I'm dependent of my wife. She working with the same company from last 4 years at a chef. How good with the company? My question is, in the medical blood pressure got 148 which is high. Doctor said doesn't affect the visa. Still at your experience, is there any effect? Only my well 48. Maybe you just nervous, so it should be okay. Hi God, can you please help me? How could I help with no question? Guys, are you a registered agent? Our sponsor had SPH already. Are you able to do nomination and visa? No, I'm not a registered agent. I don't have anyone with this document, anything, or visa, or guidance, or anything. No, it's not my job. I just sharing my experience, what I see, what I saw. That's it. I'm sorry to message you directly. I hope you don't mind. I just really admire your experience and thought you might be the best person to ask. If you have a moment, be grateful for your help. I'm currently on a student visa and working part-time for the same company, but want to sponsor me as a project administrator business. I don't know this. I don't know this occupation. But then, if you think you are eligible for one exit direct entry, is no reason to go through this 482. They are just the same visa. But maybe if you go directly from this thing, they just get paid one time. You go to 482, and then 6 months later, you go to one exit direct entry, and then they will get paid 2 times. That's it. I got please. I don't give any advice. I told you. Regarding 482 nomination, I applied nomination on May 2025 and didn't hear any update yet. It's been 6 months now. Today, my advisor got email from Home Affairs regarding employer documents. He said they need clarification and all the data of previous employee who get sponsored from company. He said they put the file on hold until they got all clarifications. I'm stressed about my situation. What will be outcome if this affect back on my nomination? If your company is selling the sponsorship visa, of course, it's a problem. They ask all the data from previous employees for reason. This is just certainly us. I had that I'm a chef working on full-time basis in Resino area of Victoria. I'm even staying in the Resino area and stand with 90 point for 491. I have got working experience for a few casual hours for a period of 9 months and full-time experience for 1 year 7 months. My visa is expiring in February 2027. I was wondering if you would have any suggestion towards any visas I can apply for to gain PR. Also, do you think I have chance to get one exit direct entry? To get the state visa, you need invitation. To get employer sponsor visa, you need an employer. So I don't think anything. I'm a member of Visa One Exit on Facebook and would appreciate your guidance. I have a master degree in I don't know this occupation. You have to sit for legal advice. Go for the legal advice. I don't know your occupation. Hi, Kat. Good evening. Could you please assist my query? Initially, we are in 4A2 due to skill assessment delay, and 4A2 expire we locked 407 in April 2000 in 28 April 2025 submitted when I see direct entry, and 29 April withdraw the 407. When can go to prison? You go when it's when this withdrawal is successfully. Your prison visa A will be C, and you will hold inactive prison visa C. I will also had obtained certificate. I don't know your occupation. Mm. I heard that they changed the rule for 4A2 and 1A6. Anything new or impact our 4A2? This rule is just for the medical uh, carriers, not about this the normal carrier. It's never work for you this way, so it's never mind. My overall score from PTE 53 listening, 53 reading, 52 speaking, 61 writing, speaking 61, writing 50. This score have enough for applying for a one exit transition visa. Please let me know. You have to check your test secondary. If it's before this 6 or 7 of August 2025, it should be fine. But it's after that you have to check this Ben score if you have any under this requirement. I have 2 years visa. When would be the right time to start looking for sponsorship? If you are eligible for the visa stream, just what you are waiting for. Find the employer. Could you please tell me when I can expect a visa grant apply August 2024? How do I know when your visa will be granted? I like the way you give information about 482 when I said visa processing. Yeah, me too. So God, I'm currently on 482 skill demand visa and didn't include my partner from initial application because my partner had to attend to some goals back in home country like building our house. Now my partner want to come visit on a tourist visa. I have 2 questions. How much he need to show in his bank account? I'm from Papua New How would adding him as my dependent be the best visa option than going for tourist visa? It's a big money or small money. It's not warranty on this tourist visa. But then you add in him A dependent, you are visa holder, your case is finalized, you cannot add him on. You have to do this for a to subsequent entrant. But you have to have this sufficient relationship evidence. I hope you are well. I hope that you can answer my question. I have applied for 4A2 under Cafe Manager in Sydney. This visa will expire by June 2026. I have also applied for 1AC transition last July. Can other business take over my visa? Let's say if the business is so many times cannot take over. This if you have to go from the scratch, you have to apply for new 1AC and new visa application. The visa application cannot be linked to the existing this visa application. You have to do everything from the scratch. Hi, Kat. Good morning. I got a contract of sous chef, but in my payslip they mentioned senior chef de partie. Also, I've already lost my F2 visa. Is there any problem with this? I will log payslip. The contract with this chef, but payslip. Chef is have one only complication, but if you want is marked with the organization chart, you should fill. Your agent should fill this the incorrect answer. Oh, so I wanted to clarify a concern with you. My initial offer letter mentioned a fixed bonus each year, but I was not given any for the first year. When I inquired, I was told the company didn't have funds. I stayed quiet because I was pursuing one exit sponsorship. This bonus arrangement was never documented in writing. Additionally, as part of my job, I was provided a company maintenance car. Now, after locking the nomination, the company is withdrawing the car, and that is would involve a role change, but the actual duties and remain the same. Again, nothing. I don't know this. If you cannot just suffering. If you suffering now and then when the PR is granted, what is the reason you cannot keep suffering? So, or you take it or you leave it. I got recently I got for a two nomination review. Reason is union for position. I have been working there 2.5 years as a full-time chef. Now I'm planning to log tribunal. After 5 months, I will be eligible for one exit direct entry. How is to apply one exit direct entry from same restaurant where I got refused? I don't know if you what made you think your nomination will be approved. So that is the main thing. But how do I know? I'm doing full-time job at a painter from 2018 to 2021. I got my PR, my RPL for painting as I was on dependent visa. After that, few things changed, and then I applied for 4A2 nomination and visa in April, but refused in May. The reason was invalid and I couldn't I don't know, this was too much to read. Oh, I cannot read this anymore. It's too much. What is this? Of course, you have to arrange it with the payment. Hi, Catherine. Thank you for allowing my post. I have a question. If you can give my friend an input, I'm quite confident with my opinion, but having second thought option one below. My friend applied to visa at pharmacy technician. Due to his visa, he can't do internship as a retail pharmacist. Wait, actually, below. Oh, too much. I don't know. I don't know this occupation. If you are in the position, which one will you choose? This position. Stay in April 2027. So now 2025. Oh no way. Too long. Oh, I don't know. This too much and too long to read. Everyone, I just wanna ask how long is taken for grant? When is it visa after nomination? No one knows. Nói ra không lắm. Hello em, đau hông, rạc cổ, nói không nổi nữa. Nghĩ sao con kia nó like được cả ngày, cả mấy ngày liên tục, xỉu. Sẽ trả lời. À thế rồi. Là người gì? Ghim tin nhắn, truy cập kênh, hoạt động của kênh, đặt người dùng vào trạng thái tạm ngưng. Những người dùng trên kênh này thêm làm người kiểm duyệt kịp mà chả hiểu tí nữa thì biết trả lời đâu. Ừ. Ôi, mệt quá. Ôi giời, xỉu.